Okay, so this is how I create my rubrics and the website I use. I'm also going to show you how I give those to the students for each one of their assignments as well. So I use Rubistar. I always go to create rubric. I'm pretty sure I've created an account, so if you want to create an account and save all your rubrics, you can. But basically what I do is I create it and I put it in a Google document, and I really don't need it saved anywhere else as long as it's saved with the assignment. So I've never really done that. One that I find that I use a lot is Multimedia Project in STEM, since we do have a lot of projects that we use or that we do. Posters as well. There's all kind of different little customizable headings here, I guess you'd say. And so I choose Multimedia Project. It makes you put in your stuff, or your name and stuff, and you can name this, whatever you want to name it. Always makes you put in a zip code. And so this is temporary. Alright, so depending upon which category you chose, there's all kinds of different categories, but I chose the Multimedia Project. So if I go to I don't know, I go to making a poster, my categories may be different. Okay, so again, each one of these customizable rubrics have different categories, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So, Multimedia Project, I'll throw this in again. Let's just, whatever. And just type in some numbers, 5 numbers there. Okay, so again, I usually have about 4 categories. One of the main ones I use content, and it's got kind of each one of the little explanations there, grade wise. Attractiveness is a good one that I use a lot. Originality is also a good one. That's the requirements yet. Requirements is a requirement. So requirements is a good one to use as well. I also like to use mechanics to replace one of these here. Just because, at this age, there should be none of this. They should check for that. So I'm real big on misspellings and having everything grammatically correct, everything punctuated, capitalized, commas used in the right place and stuff like that. So, alright, moving along here. So, these are my 4 categories that I'm going to use. And typically how I score is, I'll go 25 to 20, 19. You can see all this is already kind of saved in here. 14 to 10, and then 9 to 1 there, or 9 to 0. And so they get so many points for each category, all equaling up to a possible 100 points. So that's typically what I do. And so after this, and it makes you fill in all this at the top, so you can just throw some kind of whatever up there, doesn't really matter. All right, or you can be as precise as you want with it. But, tap submit there, and so you can take, if you will, left click right here and just kind of hold it down and drag over all of this. Try this one more time. And then let go, right click and copy. You can go to your Google document. You probably have an assignment already here, maybe listing everything that you want done, and then at the bottom you can paste your rubric. So nice little pretty rubric there. You do have to watch for there are some misspellings. As you can see, their presentation is not spelled correctly, and I can get that to put in there, right? Anyway, don't want to be an OCD about that. Okay, but yeah, you do have to watch for spelling errors in the actual rubric. So, yes, this is a good way to make a rubric. Now, if you want it smaller, another thing that you can do, I use the snipping tool a lot. If you just go to search and type in snip, that pops up, and you can click new. Let me go back here to my rubric. Okay, so I've got a shortcut down here I'm going to use. If you click new, right, and just kind of select what you want, it makes a picture of it. Okay, and so all I ever do, I never save it. I just hit copy, exit out of it, and then go to my document, paste it. Okay, so now you have a picture that you can make smaller and make it actually fit as well. So the snip tool in Windows is amazing. With a Mac, you have a screenshot command that is Shift Command 4, I believe. I think that's what the shortcut is for a Mac. You can Google that to take a screenshot as well. But I use the snipping tool a lot with Microsoft stuff. So that is how I create my rubrics and put them in a document for all of my students to see.